When we talk about reliability today, it doesn't mean the same thing it did 30 or 40 years ago. Back then, a car's dependability was measured by whether it would suddenly break down and leave you stranded on the roadside. Modern vehicles are far more advanced, and now reliability often reflects how well complicated electronics, infotainment systems, and safety features hold up over time. While Japanese brands like Toyota and Honda often dominate reliability charts, American automakers have also delivered some surprisingly dependable SUVs in the past decade. From Chevrolet and GMC to Ford, Jeep, and Buick, there are plenty of options worth considering if you want a reliable American-made SUV that's less than 10 years old. Let's take a look at the first half of. The Chevrolet Suburban has always been the king of size, and the 2018 version is no exception. With seating for up to 9 passengers and an enormous cargo area, it remains a favorite for big families and long road trips. Suburban combines sheer practicality with a surprisingly high level of comfort and technology. Under the hood, it packs a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, producing 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. Buyers could choose between rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, making it capable of handling daily commuting as well as weekend towing duties. Speaking of towing, the Suburban can haul up to 8,300 pounds while carrying nearly 1,700 pounds of payload, serious numbers for a family SUV. Despite its size, the Suburban has proven itself to be durable. Properly maintained models are known to surpass 200,000 miles, with the highest recorded example reaching 237,000 miles. Average annual repair costs sit at around $690, which is reasonable for a vehicle of this size. With a score of 81/100, it's a strong contender for one of the most reliable full-size SUVs America has built in recent years. Jeep might be best known for rugged off-road machines like the Wrangler, but the Compass offers a more practical alternative for drivers who want SUV styling with commuter-friendly manners. The 2021 Compass came in 4 trims, with the Trailhawk being the most adventure-ready, while the lower trims were tailored to comfortable daily use. Power comes from a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 180 horsepower and 175 pound-feet of torque. Transmission choices included a 6-speed automatic for front-wheel drive versions and a 9-speed automatic for those opting for all-wheel drive. While not the most powerful SUV in this ranking, the Compass still manages to tow up to 2,000 pounds when properly equipped with AWD. On the reliability front, the 2021 Compass scored 81/100 and has proven to hold up well in real-world use. Owners report yearly maintenance costs around $536, and over 10 years, repairs are expected to total roughly $10,000. Mileage longevity is decent, with some examples reaching around 150,000 miles. Though it doesn't have the bulletproof reputation of some competitors, the Compass balances Jeep's adventurous DNA with enough dependability to earn a spot on this list. If the Suburban feels too large, the Chevrolet Tahoe is its slightly smaller sibling, but still a giant by most standards. The 2020 Tahoe offered seating for up to 9 and serious towing power, making it a favorite among large families and outdoor enthusiasts. Buyers had 2 engine choices, the familiar 5.3-liter V8 with 355 horsepower, or the more powerful 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower. The smaller V8 was paired with a 6-speed automatic, while the larger engine came with a 10-speed automatic for smoother performance. Both versions delivered plenty of torque, 383 pound-feet and 460 pound-feet respectively, and the ability to tow 8,600 pounds. Where the Tahoe shines is its long-term reliability. With a score of 83/100, it's more dependable than many of its competitors, and some examples have already crossed the 300,000-mile mark. Annual maintenance costs average $746, while total 10-year upkeep is estimated at just over $9,300. Factor in its roomy interior, modern safety tech, and rugged yet refined ride, and the Tahoe cements itself as one of the most trustworthy American SUVs of the last decade. The Ford Edge doesn't always get the spotlight, but the 2020 model proves why it deserves recognition. Positioned as a midsize two-row SUV, the Edge strikes a sweet spot between family practicality and sporty fun. In its standard trims, SE, SEL, Titanium, the Edge comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking excitement, the ST trim brought a 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6, generating 335 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, paired exclusively with a WD. Both engines use an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and efficient performance. Beyond power, the Edge offers versatility. From solid towing capabilities, 5,500 to 3,500 pounds depending on setup, to a well-designed interior with Ford's latest infotainment and safety systems. Reliability is a strong suit as well, with a score of 85/100, annual maintenance costs averaging $611, and projected 10-year upkeep at under $9,000. The highest recorded mileage so far sits around 153,000 miles. It may not be the first SUV that comes to mind, but the 2020 Ford Edge has earned its place as one of the most dependable midsize SUVs on the American market. Compact SUVs are one of the most competitive segments in the market, and in 2017, the Ford Escape stood tall among its rivals. That year, it even outperformed Toyota and Honda models in reliability rankings, proving that American engineering could deliver a trustworthy compact crossover. 3 trims were available, with the base S using a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 168 horsepower, while the SE and Titanium trims upgraded to a more advanced 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, making 179 horsepower. Both engines were paired with a 6-speed automatic, and ABUD was available for the turbocharged versions. Fuel economy was competitive, reaching up to 30 mpg on the highway, while towing capacity ranged from 1,500 pounds with the base engine to 3,500 pounds with the turbo. The Escape also brought features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, automatic climate control, and even an electronic parking brake, features that weren't always standard at the time. With a reliability score of 86/100, low annual maintenance costs of about $532, and 10-year upkeep totaling just $8,721, the 2017 Escape has proven to be both affordable and long-lasting. The highest recorded mileage sits near 200,000 miles, showing this compact Ford can go the distance. That wraps up the first half of our list, covering places 10 through 6. From the massive Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe to the versatile Ford Escape and Edge, and even the Jeep Compass holding its ground, these SUVs prove that American brands can deliver long-lasting dependability when maintained properly. Each of these models offers its own balance of power, comfort, and technology, but the real surprises are still ahead. In the next video, we'll dive into the top 5 most reliable American SUVs of the last decade, where we'll uncover the true standouts with unbeatable reliability scores, lower long-term maintenance costs, and impressive high-mileage stories. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.